Hey! Where are we going? Look! You asked me to join you, okay? Now you don't even know where we're going?
Ay, atay.
Are you baliw? Ba't mo kasi niyaya dito? Look out! Umuulan!
Well, just let me think for a minute, okay? Look, this is my first time I'm going to do this, okay? How do you expect me to?
Ikaw ang lalaki! You're supposed to know what to do! Buwang manay ka! Tingnan mo, nabasan ako sa ulan!
Well, I don't know what to do!
Kinis ka! Look at my dress! Ang ganda-ganda ko tapos nabasa na ako sa ulan!
Oh, what's wrong na naman with you?
I feel so stupid! This is all so stupid!
You know, you're right. This is not only stupid. This is wrong.
Where are you going? Ano? Iiwan mo lang ako dito?
I'm taking home.
What? Iwan mo talaga ako dito? Gary, wait! Hoy! Ano? Iwan mo talaga ako dito? Sinama mo ako dito tapos iiwan mo lang ako? Hindi ako laruan pagkatapos ng paglaruan, iwan mo na lang!
Nakakahiya ka talaga. You act like a child. Pwede ba tumuyo ka dyan? Nakakahiya. Tingnan mo yung ano mo nakikita na.
Ha?
Pwede ba tumayo ka na dyan? I'm taking you home.
Ha? Taking your home? Ikaw naman kasi hindi magad sinabi. Hoy! Tayin mo ako! Wait! Ah! Ano?
Ano na naman ito eh.
Tara na!
Ay, nakakainis talaga. Tatapon talaga kita.
Let's go!